All right, y'all, we got one on the pontoon. Now we got to get one on the mud boat. Can't do it on both. You ain't doing it SBO style. Hey, y'all, if you hadn't watched that first video, y'all click the link, take a peek. When we got ready to go to Kissimmee, we had to do some mods to the boat to make it a little more gator efficient. So we spent a few days working on it. We added some float pods to the backside, give us some more buoyancy, a little more stability moving across the water. We added a grab bar for the driver while he's operating that big long tail. Added some rails to the front so we can lean against and fight, be a little more safe on the boat. And we added a seat for Mama in the middle. Added a couple rod holders to hold all our gear. So y'all get ready, man. This is gonna be a fun ride. Stay tuned. It's a baby. There's a little baby. New equipment is on the way, guys, but man, I'm telling you, this gator was huge. That is literally his head out of the water. Hey, we got to mark this spot in case he doesn't come out tonight.
Get us a bait.
Or to whatever. I'm getting a bait. I'm getting a bait. All right. All right, get us out of here. I don't know if we're just dumb or shot out, but
We're shot out, dude. I can answer that. We shot the hell out.
we came home around 6:30 this morning after we got that first gator. Ate some bacon and some eggs.
Pound cake.
And some pound cake. Left back out. Got back at 10:30, 11 o'clock. Took a power nap. Woke up, ate some lunch. And now we're getting ready to go back out for round 3. So y'all stay tuned. To the right. To the right.
I see him moving.
We got a good sized gator over there. We got a good sized gator over here. So
Hey, look in the middle of the lake over there. Straight out at your 10 o'clock.
Damn.
There he is.
there he is.
Came
There
up.
he is. That's
He ain't. He is not. That is.
a gator, y'all. That's a 9-foot gator all day.
Went down again.
That's a 9-foot gator, y'all.
Straight in front.
He's 8 foot.
Yeah, he's not big.
Let's see.
I'll hook him and we'll fight him.
He's 8 foot, I think.
Straight, 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 straight.
To the left, I see him. To the left.
He ain't getting a good breath. He's not getting a good breath.
Stop, stop. Right over it. Reel, 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 reel.
chasing those gators like that. If you got all that on video, that is so awesome.
Be good eating. He'll eat better than Goliath.
Yeah, but Goliath is
Yeah, because that big one that was in that cooler this morning when I opened, he is just a big old nasty gnarly dinosaur.
He ain't a big one.
Oh, I thought, man, that's a decent one, Wayne.
What you want me to do?
7 foot? 7 foot?
Nah, he's skinny.
There you go.
He's skinny.
About 7 foot.
Let him swim.
Look at his ass. Look, dude, he's for the taking, dude. That is a harpoon gator.
Yeah, he's small. I can see his whole body.
Yeah. There he goes. There he goes. Getting out of that grass.
No, he's skinny. No.
Oh, he's 8 foot. He's 8 foot, baby. There he goes. There he goes. He just knocked the grass. There he goes to the right. There he goes. He's knocking the path right there in front of us. He's right in front of us.
Yep.
He's just circling.
Nope, he's right here. He's right in front. He's right in front. Hey, whoa, slow down, slow down. He's right here. He's right there. He's right there. He's coming across.
Do we want him or no?
No, we don't want him.
Okay, yeah, he looks a little small. Hey, that's the first time we ran this.
There he is, there he is, there he is, there he is.
Yeah. He looked like he was almost 8 foot though.
Yeah, he was still small. He was skinny.
Yeah, he was real skinny. This is how you follow him, guys. They knock
Slow,
him
slow, 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 slow. He's right here, right here. Here he is right here. Slow, slow, slow. Right there. Right there. Out to open water.
Yeah, he's decent. 7 foot. Oh, you get him?
No, I didn't get him.
Okay. Hey, that's how you follow.
That's what we do though, right there.
Boys and girls, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. For 100 yards. That was awesome.
After all of that, I wanted to cast on him, but I was like,
You had
nah.
him all day.
Oh, yeah.
All day. Hey, that just lets y'all know you can do it.
Oh, here I go. I'm about to take off.
Let's make plenty of noise to attract the gator. We're using live bait now.
This is what rednecks do when they're bored. And it's hot.
Gator right there. Where am I dropping in here?
That's good.
y'all. We got a big one on. Wayne's got him on the pole right now. We're hooked up. He's back here in the back. We're fighting him. Got anchor out holding the boat. He's a big one. So we're gonna do what we can to get him out here. Where's he at? Right there. We're gonna do what we can to get him out here. Get him. So it's gonna get crazy here. Oh yeah, that's a good one, boys. Look at them eyes. Look at them eyes. Oh my goodness. He's fighting you right now. Look between the eyes. 5 inches. He's looking right at us like, you're going to have to come to me. Look at him. He's holding Wayne. Hey, don't break that line. Just remember, just do what you did the other day, bro. Force him, but make him make a move, you know? Oh yeah. Look at here. Look at y'all.
He's pulling us.
Pulling the whole boat, ain't he?
Yep.
Turning the boat, at least.
Yeah, he is.
There he goes. It's a good one. What, 8, 9 foot?
Oh, he's over 9.
Over 9?
He's fighting way harder than the one the other day.
Oh, he's in shallower water. We got one on, y'all. Wish us luck. Good Lord, keep us safe. Mama, I got light on him. If you want a video, please.
He spit it.
Oh, he spit it. Oh.
No.
Spit the bait, y'all. He's back there behind it. Oh. Yeah, didn't have the peg. He didn't have the peg.
It's annihilated.
He ain't moving, so he's just sitting there eating. We got an airboat coming. I gotta shine that airboat.
Yeah, there's an airboat coming.
Taking line. No!
We're hunting.
Thank you. Thank you. That's okay.
No problem, man. Just letting you know we didn't want you to run up on us. You got all that on camera?
Yes, I did.
Get out of here. Get on, boy. Get out of here. Get on now. Get
Oh yeah, he ran whenever that airboat came. Oh yeah, he's running right now. He's running right now. Man, that wind, son. We got a storm
We
rolling.
got storm rolling in. I felt the wind changing. I started shivering.
He's pulling. He's running. He's not really like running, but he's moving.
He's way over there. Oh, he's trying to go. That's going on.
We're gonna fight a gator in the wind.
Yep.
A lot of slack out. So slow. Just fight. Keep tension on him.
Oh, he's on it. He's on it.
He's right there. He just went under. Y'all want me to turn the big light on? He's on, right?
Yeah, he's on. Turn the big light on. Let's go. Yep. It's a good gator.
Keep tension. I'm gonna take this.
I am. Yep, I'm gonna pull you to him. I'm not pulling, he's pulling. He's pulling. He's on top of water. Shine him with a big light. Shine him with a big light.
Right there.
I know, we need to see how big he is.
He's a good gator if he's got that full load over like that.
Here, somebody, here, mama.
Hey, bull, if you can't get some, he's trying to go under. Get some. Yeah, he's going under and he's coming out. It's easy does it. Don't overdo it. But try to keep him out of there. He's tipping that rod up. He's pressure on it. Don't overdo it. It's fine. You can wear him out. Trying to get way up underneath there. Right there. He's a decent one. He's 8 foot. Yeah. Alright. Just give him fun. I'll get a hook on him. Get him out a little bit. I'll get a hook on him.
He's sitting on the
Got
ground.
him right there. He's right there.
He's sitting on the ground.
Just a second. I'm going to cast him. A little bit past him to the left. Off
Yep.
to the left, though.
Yep.
Oh, don't turn the boat. Don't turn the boat.
I'm not.
The way you're pulling.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Nope, I'm spinning it, I'm spinning it. There you go, there you go,
Short of it.
there you go.
There you go. Just keep it right there. Okay? You get another line on it. You get another line. Clear it. Yes, good job.
He ain't the giant, that's for sure.
Watch him. He's gonna run on you. Where's he going? Hold on him. There he goes. Let him go. I'll try to get one on him. There he goes. All right. You push your pole the other way. Oh, I just missed it. All right, coming over top. Just a second. I'll get one on him.
He's facing the, oh yeah, he's a thick gator, he's a thick gator. He's facing straight away from us. Hold on, hold on, hold on. He's turning, get ready, get ready. Get ready, here he goes. Go over there. Get that light on him. I'm wrapped around his leg. Hold on, I'm wrapped. There it is. That's all right. That was a good cast. You're good. Let me get him out some. Go to me. Oh, missed him. Yep. Throw hook. Throw hook. He's right there. He's going in. He's going in.
We just need a rope let out to let the anchor grab. It's way up underneath.
Yeah, he's under it. We got to get out.
All right, drop it. Good, just get my hand towards that other end. Wind's blowing and all.
All right. Now we got to figure out how to do this.
Now we gotta get him out. We're gonna have to sit right here and hold this button on that. Get him out, and then
you can see the leader, so he's not far. So I'm saying, as long as he is, I can probably get a throw rope on him.
Oh yeah.
He's 8.5. Count when you're in the line. Thank y'all.
Yep, he's a good one. Sorry, y'all, we missed the closure on that gator, but went 8'11". Looks great on the front of that mud boat. We got it done this year. Awesome 2024 season. Can't wait to get back down next season. If y'all ain't gator hunting, you should have been. Y'all be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the first gator video. See y'all later.